In this video, I want to show you a newer Canva feature that you may have noticed inside Magic Studio called Image to Video. With Canva's homepage open, click on the purple Create button here at the top left, and then click Presentation or choose Presentation from the list here across the page. Before we start, there's something really important you need to know. If you use Image to Video on an image, your original image is replaced and you can't get it back. It's now video. So always make a copy of your image or duplicate the page first. That way you don't lose the original. Just something to keep in mind. We need an image, so let's head over to Elements in the left side toolbar and find something. Once you have a graphic you want to use, bring it onto the design space. I'm going to use a simple graphic, a dolphin, and we'll give him a short little swim. Once you have an image on your design, click on it so it's highlighted. Then click Edit in the floating toolbar. On the left side, open Magic Media and look for the butterfly icon labeled Image to Video. Go ahead and click that. As you can see, I ended up with a message saying that Image to Video does not work on Pro Media and to use another image. My image is a Canva Pro crown image. I can't use it, so I'll have to find one without a crown. Let's get back to our design and get another image in the design space. Again, go back up to Edit, then Magic Studio, then Image to Video. You'll see two options at the top, Smart and Custom. Smart lets Canva decide how the image moves. Custom lets you describe the motion. When you're ready, click on the button to generate the video. This will take a minute or two. Once generated, bring it over to your design, then click to see your 3-second video. You can regenerate a new video if you want, but remember you are using credits, so be mindful of that. You will get new credits, depending on your subscription, reloaded the first of every month. Image to Video is a Canva Pro feature. Now, to be honest, this feature has a lot of restrictions, and yes, it can feel a little frustrating at times. But if all you need is a short moment of animation, something soft and subtle, it actually does a decent job. I think it could be especially useful for storytelling, historic images, quiet videos, or anywhere you want a bit of movement without getting into full video editing. So that's Image to Video in Canva, what it does, what it doesn't do, and how to use it without headaches. If you found this content helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.